approach the front door, you're met by a flowering oasis, mature trees, and a beautiful lawn that's kept green with a sprinkler system. Just inside the front door is the living room with gleaming hardwood floors that flows into a family room centered by a one-of-a-kind wood-burning fireplace. This spacious, upgraded kitchen sits at the heart of this open concept design with a large dining area that connects to the peaceful backyard. Let go of the day's stress under the covered patio by enjoying a meal on the deck, working in the garden, or playing in the fenced backyard. Back inside, there's a 3/4 bathroom and laundry room, as well as access to an oversized attached 2-car garage. This Harvey Park gem is a single-level home with 3 cozy bedrooms and a full bathroom nestled in a separate wing from the living space. This place was completely remodeled in 2014 and has been lovingly upgraded over the past 5 years.